Do you want to add music on Messenger Notes? You can put music on your Facebook Messenger Notes at any time with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add music on Messenger Notes. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. This feature enables you to attach a song or a portion of a song to your note, which can be shared with your friends. To add music to Messenger Notes, first, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are in Messenger, you will see your friends' notes at the top of the screen. Now, at the beginning of the Notes section, tap on your note. A new screen appears. Look for the music icon. Tap on this music icon below your profile picture. A new screen appears again. Scroll down and find the song that you want to add to your notes. You can also use the search box to find specific music. Once you find the song, tap on it to add it to your notes. From here, drag and select the part of the music you want to include in your note. Once satisfied, tap on Done at the top. Now, add a caption for your music in the Share Your Thoughts section. Lastly, tap on Share at the top of the screen. Now, your note with music will be seen by your friends. By following these simple steps, you can easily add music to your Facebook Messenger Notes.